Welcome to Write 015. Today I'm just going to give you a brief tour of the course and a short introduction to what all you will be working through as you complete Write 015 Developmental English. So right here we have the course homepage. This is the first thing you'll see when you log into the course each time. If there are any news or any changes in the assignments or reminders about things coming up, I will post them right here in the announcement section. So make sure you notice if there's anything new there. All you have to do is click on this plus sign right here and it will show you the announcement. So here is a brief description of what you should do the first day of class, and we'll talk about those things in a moment. So right here, I'm just going to cover in brief discuss on this first page. The course is made up of 7 units. You'll have 1 to 2 weeks to work through each unit, and then at the end of the unit you will take a unit quiz that covers the material you learned in that unit. Each unit is made up of a series of topics, and for each of those topics you will read a section of the textbook, you'll work through a presentation, participate in a discussion with your classmates, and complete an assignment. So you'll do that for each of those topics, and then once you work through all of the topics in the unit, you will take the unit quiz. So this is a 3-credit course, so you should plan to spend about 6 to 9 hours each week working in the online course. So in a traditional classroom, you spend 3 contact hours each week for a 3-credit course in the classroom, and then you'd have your additional 3 to 6 hours working outside of class. So since this is an online class and we don't have those regularly scheduled 3 hours together, you'll put all of that time together into 6 to 9 hours each week that you'll need to be responsible for setting a schedule for yourself to work through the material in the course. So I will use review features in Word. When you submit your assignments, you'll submit them as Word documents. So I'll use review features in Word, and we'll go over how that works in a separate video tutorial to give you feedback. And I will also occasionally use short narrated videos like I'm doing right now to give you extra feedback on some assignments. And you will have feedback and grades on all of your assignments no later than 1 week after you submit them. The course schedule is your friend. It's a to-do list for the entire course, so I strongly encourage you to print it off if you're someone who likes to have a hard copy of things, and then you can check off each of the assignments as you work through them.